Hey guys, it's Yana the Queen Gang, and today we are back with another video, but it is gonna be my first mukbang because I'm gonna be trying black bean noodles. So they come in this little package, and black bean noodles. I tried some of these yesterday, but I'm not sure what the taste it like, so I'm doing it for you guys. So yeah, let's get started. So this looks really good, so I'm gonna try. It looks like black bean too. This smells like black bean. Okay. It's getting a little bit spicy because black bean noodles is actually spicy. And I had some spicy noodles where I already ate them. So I had some spicy noodles which I already ate, but they were so disgusting. I don't know what that says. My sister wrote it. My sister's upstairs, by the way, doing her little mukbang vlog. I'm doing a mukbang too. Alright, let's get it. I gotta mix it a little bit more. So it's not mixed all the way. And I made these noodles. They're actually homemade because I know how to make my own black bean noodles. So yeah, it's really good. And I made it with some vegetables in there. That's really good. Look at those vegetables. Okra? That wasn't okra. This is delicious. So I don't like, this is my first mukbang video, so it was gonna be nervous. And before I do this video, I know I haven't been making so much videos because, hey, I gotta go to school, and today was Friday, and I don't have to go to school Monday, so, or nobody does, basically. So, you know, it's just difficult worrying about school and then worry about you guys as soon as I come home. When I come home, I just like to take a shower. I just took a shower like 2 minutes ago. Most of you guys don't know I live by myself. That's why. I actually don't live by myself. I live with my brother. And my dad lives in Plant City, so yeah, I don't get to see him a lot. And guess what, guys? My birthday is on Thanksgiving. It's really surprising. Yes, and I do use this Shopkins towel to wipe my mouth because I don't have any napkins. I use them for my my mouth all the time. So, and I have a lot of stuff. I have a lot of black bean noodles left. Oh, these are like the last black bean noodles tasted like earwax. Like, I don't even know what earwax tastes like, and I don't want to know. But the other spicy noodles that I tasted, it tasted like it tasted like spicy mozzarella. Oh my god, that was so spicy. Oh my god. And most of you guys like, you're so clean. I love you. You're so clean. It's just, I hate to be dirty. The first time I get dirty, I'll be like, Mom, let me go take a shower because I'm not going to be dirty. I don't want to. I would hate to be dirty. I'm not a dirty person either. I love doing mukbangs. They're awesome. My time is almost running out. I don't eat in my grade because I'm in 4th grade. I'm in high school, and I don't eat in high school, so It probably doesn't look like I'm in high school, but I am in high school. I'm a really short person. Oh my god, this is a pepper. I'm tasting this after. Let's do it. Ow! Don't worry, I did not spit that on the floor. I have a trash can right next to me. Is it raining? Nope, it's not raining. Probably my mom taking a shower. Upstairs. We have stairs though. Bye, trash can. So, I really liked this video. Oh, and I'm going to be giving out some of these. I'm going to be giving out some of these. And I ate all black bean noodles, as you can tell. But I'm going to be selling some of these. There are student tickets, November 23rd, December 24th, Thursday, Sunday, 6 p.m., 10 p.m. at the Festival Strawberry Festival final results. And then there's the back. Read you the back. November 23rd. Because my birthday is on November 22nd, which is on Thanksgiving. But November 23rd, Thursday, Sunday, 6 p.m., December 24th, 10 p.m. Come see Santa, or take your own photo. Okay, so my mom said I can go there, and I could see Santa for the first time. Well, I saw Santa when I was 6 years old. I'm 7, about to turn 8 on Thanksgiving. My face is pretty red because it's hot in here, and I'm used to being red. Bye, guys. Love you so much, and I hope I see you guys another time. Mwah. Bye, my lovies.